Yeah, hi everyone. This is Rajesh Palvia from the technical desk. I just take you through the weekly technical view for the Nifty as well as the USD view for the day. In the last week, Nifty opened on the flat note and remained consolidated throughout the week. And Nifty closed around 7510 level with a gain of around only 25 points compared to the week on week basis. Throughout the week, we have seen there was a consolidation action witnessed in the Nifty, and Nifty faced most of the time 7540 resistance area, which is previous multiple support area for the Nifty, and now Nifty is struggling to cross 7540 level throughout the week. Nifty has formed a doji candlestick pattern on the weekly chart, which is a sign of indecisiveness among the participants for the direction from here onward. So if Nifty manages to cross previous week high, then we'll see this higher side momentum or upward momentum to remain continue, and Nifty can give the breakout of 7600 level, which is very important for short to medium term perspective. So if Nifty manages to give the breakout of 7600 on the higher side, then this rally will continue, and on the higher side Nifty may scale up in the range of 7700 7750 in very short time in coming trading session. However, on the lower side, the Nifty is taking support at around 7400 level, and whatever corrective action we have witnessed in last few trading session, Nifty has got the good support area around 7400 level. So as of now, 7400 is the good support area for any kind of minor corrective action. So till the Nifty holds this level, then there is a possibility that Nifty may give the breakout of 7600 on the higher side, and we may see furthermore upward momentum in coming trading session. If Nifty breaks 7400 level, then lower side support would come at around 7320 7240 level, which are the next major important support area for this upward rally. Even if you look at the moving averages, the Nifty managed to hold this 20 DMA as well as the 50 DMA on day basis, which is a good sign for on the upward momentum. For the week, we are expecting 7750 could be the higher range for the Nifty, and lower side 7400 could act as a good support area for this week. Even if we move to the indicators also, the weekly RSI as well as the daily RSI has turned positive, which is a sign of bullishness for near term to short term basis. Even if you look at the momentum oscillator also, both are in the positive zone, supporting the positive view for the near term to short term basis. For Monday trading, 7505 is the important level to watch for. If Nifty holds this level, then on the higher side 7550 7590 could act as a resistance area during the day. However, if Nifty breaks 7505 level, then lower side support would come at around 7465 7420 on the downside. Moving to the stocks front, some positive bias stocks for the day are Marico, Voltas, Havells, Lupin, HUL, Titan, TVS Motor and Dabur. Some negative bias stocks for the day are Idea. Now moving to the USD view, there was a muted kind of action we have witnessed in last trading session, and USD closed at around 67.25 with a loss of around 0.3%. On the USD front, the USD has formed a doji kind of candlestick pattern, which is a sign of indecisiveness in the current scenario. So if USD managed to give the breakdown of 67.15 level, then we'll see furthermore corrective action to continue in the USD, and lower side it can move for the level of 66.80 to 66.65 on the lower side. However, on the higher side 67.40 67.50 would act as a major resistance area for any kind of up move. If USD crosses this level, then we'll see a higher side momentum in the range of 67.80 to 67.90. Looking at the chart pattern, looking at the indicators, the USD is in downtrend on the near term as well as on the short term basis. So whenever we get any kind of opportunity near to 67.50 is the shorting opportunity in the USD for near term trading perspective. Thank you.